Hello, welcome to Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico. Today we're gonna make a Seabreeze. Seabreeze is a classic drink from the 80s. It comes from a very, very important time within bartending, and that is the release of this little baby. There's many bartenders who would say that they started bartending 5 BC or 10 BC. BC means before cranberry juice was released. Because once this was released, everyone was putting cranberry juice in their drink. And we're gonna show you the daddy of all of them today. Perfect for any occasion, especially summer. Take 1 highball glass. We're gonna ice it up straight away. Wanna make sure we got plenty of ice all the way to the top. We wanna put 40 ml Absolut vodka. In with the cranberry juice, we want equal parts there, so we're gonna go another 40 ml. And this is where your drink's gonna be made or broke. Make it or break it. Grapefruit juice, but you wanna use freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. Don't buy store-bought, just get a grapefruit, juice it. It will make the difference of your drink. And then you just wanna top that up. We're gonna make it look extremely 80s now. Get your knife. One super thin little lime wheel. There we go, guys. The Seabreeze. Ah, so refreshing. That fresh grapefruit juice makes all the difference. All the difference. I'm good. All the way from 1983, year of my birth.